Hi guys, it's me, Jay Stone, Master Brand Coach, and I help coaches, consultants, and experts to scale their business by building their brand and their bank account. We're going to continue the conversation about your creative side of your brand. Let's talk about logos. Now, logos used to be a really significant part of the brand after all. It is the identifiable mark that separates you from all the other businesses on the planet. However, as your brand has started to grow, you have other things. You've got photos, websites, brand colors, all of those things that help you identify the brand. Therefore, the logo has become less significant. So, guess what my advice is? To keep the logo super simple. Now, there are two basic types of logos, right? There is typography, which is letters only, and then there's iconography, right? Like the Nike swoosh, right? It's a little symbol that becomes part of the brand. I recommend typography. It is the most simplistic way to communicate what your brand is. And you can use it so many other ways, right? You can use it as an email signature. You can use it on your website. It fits really snugly at the top of your website. You can also use it on Instagram, right? Fits right there in the little corner of your photos on Instagram. Therefore, people get to see your photos and know right away this is you just because of the typography logo at the bottom of the photo. So those are my tips on logos. Again, I'm Jay Stone. For more tips like this, visit jaystone.com. That's JAISTONE.com. We'll catch you on the flip side. Mwah.